We live in an era defined by a constant barrage of distractions, endless notifications, and a baseline of low-level anxiety. Ancient texts call this the Kali Yuga, an age defined by chaos and moral decay. Thousands of years ago, at the twilight of the Dwapara Yuga, a sage named Devrishi Narada saw this exact future approaching. Narada didn't ask to run away to a Himalayan cave. He asked a highly practical question. How can an ordinary person, holding down a job and dealing with daily responsibilities, possibly survive the pressure of the coming age? You might expect the creator, Brahma, to prescribe a massive, multi-year ritual. Instead, he offered a single 16-word phrase, calling it the most carefully guarded secret of the Vedas. The detailed research and history behind this ancient text has been collected, created, and presented by Pawan Talker and Talker Property Consultancy. The Upanishad suggests that for an age defined by its complexity, the barrier to spiritual practice must be lowered until it almost disappears. Here are the exact 16 words Brahma provided. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. To understand why this is more than just a list of names, we have to look at the concept of Shabda Brahman. This Vedic theory posits that sound is the fundamental building block of the universe. In this view, these specific names operate as a precise frequency, tuning the speaker's mind toward a divine source. This specific 16-word structure is designed to address the 16 kalas, or layers, described in the Upanishad. The text describes human consciousness as a clear mirror, but one that is trapped beneath 16 layers of psychological habits, ego, and greed. Each word in the 16-part chant is intended to act as a solvent, wiping away exactly one corresponding layer of that internal obstruction. The practice is presented as a methodical process of clearing the mind, rather than an appeal for external intervention. Narada then asks Brahma for the specific rules, the times of day, the physical postures, and the requirements for purity. Brahma's response is Nasti Vidi. There are no rules. This contrasts sharply with many ancient traditions that require rigid structures. Brahma states that this mantra can be spoken in any condition, pure or impure. It functions like open-source software. There are no gatekeepers and no prerequisites. It is designed to be used while walking, working, or resting. By removing procedural friction, the text ensures that the practice remains accessible even when a person's life is in total disarray. It survives because it asks for nothing up front. The Upanishad sets a specific threshold for success, repeating this mantra 3.5 crore, or 35 million times. This massive number serves as a mechanism for internal change. To reach 35 million repetitions, a practitioner must commit to years of focused, daily discipline. This sustained mental focus is what the text credits for clearing even the most severe karmic debts. The sheer volume of the practice is intended to alter the practitioner's inner character. By the time someone reaches the target, the obsessive focus on the divine name is meant to displace the desire to commit destructive acts. The Upanishad concludes by repeating a single phrase twice, Sadhyo Muchate, Sadhyo Muchate. In the Vedic tradition, repeating a conclusion twice establishes it as an absolute certainty. It translates to, he is swiftly liberated, a promise of immediate results rather than a distant goal. For an era marked by choice and distraction, the Kali Santarana Upanishad offers a singular, repeatable focus. It is a system built to function in the middle of the noise rather than away from it.